And let's try first with the underhand here. And when you hit the top of the turn, put your right foot forward. When you hit the top of the turn, turn to the left and come into overhand. And then step your right foot forward. And then at the bottom of the turn, turn to the left and come into underhand back to where you started. Step your right foot forward. We're going to do it again. At the top of the turn, turn left to overhand. Step your right foot forward. And then at the bottom of the turn, turn left to underhand. Put your right foot forward. And you're going to pivot toward your back foot, which is left. So you pivot left and come into overhand. And then step your right foot forward. And then at the top of the turn, you're going to pivot left again and come into underhand. And then step your right foot forward again. And we're going to pivot left again into overhand. And then step your right foot forward. And we're going to pivot left again and come into underhand again. The right. Right foot is forward. You're in underhand split time. Okay, and then just relax into your body. Now we're gonna make it big. And when the left hand is on the top, or you could think about it when the right hand is on the bottom, turn to the left into overhand. Now step your right foot forward. And then when the right's on the top and the left is on the bottom, turn left again, back to underhand. Right foot is forward. We're gonna go big again. And when the left is at the top and the right is at the bottom, turn to the left and come into overhand giant. And then step your right foot forward and get ready. We're going to turn left again when the right is at the top and the left is at the bottom. You didn't even need my cue. You just did it on your own. One day, someday, possibly, you will feel comfortable doing something like this.